Puppy update. I called the animal shelter. Nobody reported Minnie lost yet, but we'll keep trying to find her owner.
Daddy, how did Minnie make your puppies?
Well, sweetheart, I was hoping you'd ask me that. Remember when we talked about how it takes a mommy and a daddy to make a baby?
Yeah.
Well, it takes a mommy dog and a daddy dog to make a puppy dog.
Oh, thanks.
I'm always happy to answer your questions.
Good, because I have another one.
Oh, goody gumdrops.
How do you think Minnie met her husband?
I like that question. Steph, some time ago in a faraway land called Ohio, Minnie was taking a little walk by the fire station. And the firehouse dog, Arnie, he took one look at Minnie and he went, bow, wow, wow. It was love at first sniff. And then, on one special day, Arnie got down on 3 knees. And he said, Minnie, marry me. You make my tail wag.
That was so romantic. Daddy, how do you know all this stuff?
Well, I'm your dad, so I know everything. And when I don't know, I make up.
I thought so.
Well, it looks like Minnie found a Lamaze coach. Hey, everybody, I think something's gonna happen.
What's going on?
What?
Hey, get the box. Get the box.
Not you.
Bobby, go where I think you're going. Stop. Heel. Sit.
Not on my bed, huh?
Danny, do something about this.
This is not my fault. Joey let the dog in the house and it got the girls all worked up.
Hey, if you weren't such a neat freak, we would have already had a dog that would have chased this dog away.
Dad, clean up after Minnie. You'll never know she's here.
I'll know she's here. She's having puppies in my bed.
You don't know how lucky you are.
What getting puppies in my bed? Come on.
Daddy, why do
You,
it?
this is your fault.
How could this
Wait,
possibly
stop. Here comes a puppy. Whoa, baby.
This is the most amazing thing that's ever happened in my bed.
Look, she's cleaning off the puppy. How does she know what to do?
Well, it's part of nature, Steph.
Nature is so awesome.
I can't believe we were just fighting about Minnie having puppies. This is so beautiful. You know, it makes you think about what's really important in life, doesn't it?
Yeah, like being able to share this moment with people you really love.
This is so incredible. Yesterday, these puppies weren't even here, and now they are. And seeing them being born, it's like watching a miracle.
I'm so glad you girls could see this. Now, maybe you can understand how I felt the day each of you were born. My 3 little miracles.
So little.
Yeah, they're tiny.
Why'd you pick my bed? Can you watch the drooling, please?